Hey guys, and welcome back to Brighten Up Sunshine, where every day is a new beginning. Today is all about 12 powerful money habits that can completely transform your financial future. And these are not just tips, they're actually life changing habits that will set you up for financial freedom, security, and even abundance. So grab a notebook because at the end of this video, you're going to be ready to take on a whole new money mindset. Are you ready to get started? Habit number 1, set financial goals with purpose. The first thing must be kept first. So, setting financial goals, these are deeply meaningful goals to you, by the way. Don't just say, I want to save some money. Ask yourself, why? Why do you want a home? Why freedom from debt, early retirement, or peace of mind? And when you know your why, it's easier for you to stay focused and avoid the unnecessary spending. So you need to write these goals and keep them visible and review them every month. Let your purpose drive your spending and your savings decisions. Okay, habit number 2, pay yourself first. This is a game-changing habit because paying yourself first, this means set aside a portion of your income for savings and investments before anything else. Aim for 20% if possible, but even 5% to start, it will by putting it straight into your savings or your investment account. The beauty of this is that it's going to build up your financial future without relying on what's left over. Because let's be honest, there's rarely anything left over at the end of the month. This is why you want to pay yourself first. And habit number 3, you want to know where your money goes? You have to track every dollar. Track it. Every single dollar. Write down or log your expenses daily, no matter how small. Apps like Mint or You Need a Budget make this easy. By tracking your spending, you gain awareness, you spot wasteful patterns, and you make more mindful decisions. Habit number 4, live below your means. Living below your means actually sounds simple, but it's life-changing. This does not mean living without, though, so let me be clear. It means choosing wisely. Cut out the things that don't bring you joy or long-term benefits, and find areas to save, like meal prepping or exploring free activities. By spending less than you earn, you're going to be able to save more, you're going to stress less, and you're going to build wealth a lot faster. Habit number 5, you want to automate your savings. Automate as much as you can. When you automate your savings, bill payments, and your investments, you're going to eliminate the temptation to spend the money elsewhere. So go ahead and set up auto transfers to savings and investment accounts each payday. You'll be surprised how quickly your savings will grow when you take human error and temptation out of the equation. Number 6 is build an emergency fund. An emergency fund is your financial safety net when life happens, like car repairs or unexpected bills or a job change. You want to aim to save at least 3 to 6 months worth of all your living expenses in a separate account, so you're never caught off guard. This fund will actually give you security and options because emergencies are, they're stressful in themselves, but when you're financially prepared, it actually takes a little bit of the sting out of it. And number 7, invest consistently, not perfectly, okay? Investing can seem complicated, but do not wait for the perfect time. You want to start small and you want to start today. Make it a habit to invest consistently, whether through retirement accounts, index funds, or other assets. With compound interest, even small investments can grow significantly over time. So, think long term and keep on investing. Number 8, avoid lifestyle inflation. As you earn more, it is so tempting to spend more. This is called lifestyle inflation. Instead, keep your spending in check. Even when you get a raise, use those extra funds to boost your savings, pay down your debt, or invest. Avoid lifestyle inflation is a key habit to lasting financial growth. And number 9, go ahead and have yourself a no-spend day weekly. Challenge yourself with no-spend days once a week. For one whole day, avoid spending a single penny. This can actually be fun. Instead, find free things to do or cook meals with ingredients you already have at home. This simple habit will actually reset your spending urges, helps you appreciate what you have, and brings you financial discipline to a new level. And number 10, make debt repayment a priority. Debt is a burden on you financially and your financial future. So go ahead and make paying it down a priority. Focus on the high interest debt first and consider using the methods like the avalanche or the snowball method to stay motivated. Paying off debt will free up your money, reduce your stress, and bring you closer to financial freedom. Go ahead and imagine the possibilities when your money is truly yours. That's a good feeling. Number 11, can you believe we've made it this far? This is practice gratitude for what you have. Money habits are not just about numbers. They're actually about mindset. Cultivate gratitude for what you have instead of always wanting more. Gratitude will shift your focus from one of lack to what you already have, and that is going to switch your mindset to abundance. This mindset will help you make better financial choices and find contentment in your journey. Congratulations if you made it this far. If so, go ahead and type below, Brighten Up Sunshine. Number 12 is keep learning and growing financially. The final habit is to never stop learning about money. Financial education is a lifelong journey, so go ahead and read books, watch videos, and learn from experts. Money management will change as the world changes, and staying informed will empower you to make better choices because knowledge is a powerful investment that always pays off. There you have it, 12 money tips. Remember, these habits are not about overnight changes. They're about building a lifetime of financial security, freedom, peace. Start with one habit and then you add another and you just keep going. Your financial future is actually worth it. And as always, guys, remember, the sun always rises. I'll see you in the next video.